Have you ever wondered why chai tea feels like a warm hug from the inside out? Chai is more than a beverage, it is a layered tradition born in South Asia where strong black tea meets a fragrant mix of spices like cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, ginger, and black pepper to create a balanced, warming profile. The word chai simply means tea in many languages, but the phrase masala chai points to the spiced, sweetened milk tea that most Western drinkers recognize as classic chai. Traditionally, full-fat dairy is used to round out the spices and carry aromatics, but oat milk has emerged as a superb plant-based alternative because of its creamy texture and neutral, cereal-like sweetness. Oat milk complements chai by mimicking the mouthfeel of dairy and by blending smoothly with spices when you simmer them together, especially if you choose a barista-style oat milk with stabilizers designed for heating. To understand how flavors fuse, steep the black tea and spices together first, then simmer gently with oat milk so the oils from cardamom and cinnamon disperse evenly, producing a rich, cohesive cup. If you want a brighter spice note, crack whole cardamom pods and grate fresh ginger. If you prefer a sweeter, softer chai, add a touch of brown sugar, maple syrup, or honey after simmering to taste. For a creamier finish, use a higher oat-to-water ratio in your milk or add a splash of full-strength oat cream, and always avoid boiling vigorously, which can separate the milk and mute delicate spice aromas. Frothing oat milk over low heat or using a handheld frother after simmering gives you cafe-style texture and enhances perceived richness without overpowering the tea's herbal backbone. Nutritionally, oat milk offers fiber and fewer saturated fats than dairy, making chai with oat milk a kinder choice for lactose-sensitive folks and those watching cholesterol, though sugar choices still affect calories. Environmentally, oats generally require less water and produce lower emissions than dairy, so choosing oat milk for your chai can be a small but meaningful eco-friendly step. Serve your chai hot or iced and pair it with buttery biscuits or savory snacks for a balanced taste experience. Experiment with ratios, steeping times, and spice combinations. Keep a simple baseline recipe and tweak one variable at a time until you land on your signature oat milk chai. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.